Jordan brand continues to build momentum with Luka Dončić's growing signature line by officially unveiling the Jordan Luka 5, marking the second numbered Luka model released within the past year. This rapid rollout highlights Luka's rising influence in basketball and sneaker culture. Alongside the Luka 5, the brand is also expanding the Jordan Luka .77, an outdoor-focused takedown model that first appeared during the Luka 4 era and continues to arrive in fresh colorways. One of the latest releases is the Jordan Luka .77 Love Letter. The shoe features washed teal mesh on the sides, paired with a softer barley green shade on the tongue and toe box for a clean and modern look. Bold Jordan branding stands out on the medial side in Chile Red, with matching red details on the Jumpman logos and air zoom cushioning. Despite its name, the Love Letter colorway is not tied to Valentine's Day. It is scheduled to release on January 8, 2026, with a retail price of $105 US.